Hello YouTube, Darius TV here with a new unboxing video of the Logitech G240 gaming cloud mousepad. And yep, it just came up right now and I will unboxing it. Yep. Okay, see you in a moment. Okay, so let's take this out from here. Oh shit. Okay, it's really hard to unbox with one hand. This looks a little bit strange to me. Oh, we got here some kind of I don't know what it is, warranty probably. Yep, safety warranty. Let me see it. Oh, he's really thin. He's not that thick. And yep, I will change my old mousepad with that one. I hope I will like it. I like the Logitech stuff. Yep, peripherals. So yeah, I will make later another video with review of the gaming mousepad with my new Logitech G240 mouse, which I really like a lot, and I will tell you some differences. And yeah, see you next time. Bye.